Okay, kings and queens.
Yes.
Here we go. Here is another PV for you. This is the preview for the next video that's coming. I told you I would do this. So far behind on the PVs for the things that are on the SBC TV guide. I got to do every week. I got to do 24 preview videos. I got to do 24 trailers. You know, just it comes with the job, and this is what me and the tribe will be doing here, after I'm gone, to keep them busy, to use the fiat to actually get the lawful money. Okay. There is a new video coming out, and it is called How to Use Your Gold and Silver Deeds. I keep getting phone calls from people that ask, how do I use this? I got it. How do I use it? How do we use it? How do we use it, Bugsy? How do I use it, Bugsy? Well, here's your damn video. Don't ever ask me again. Because I'm going to tell you, go to YouTube and type in how to use gold and silver deeds. And type in King Stevian. That's KINGSTEVIAN. You know anybody that got one of these free deeds? Tell them, watch this video. It'll walk them through it. Okay? And also relate the other videos that you need to watch, because everyone needs to get one of these ledgers. You got one of these, you need a ledger to go with that. The ledger ain't number $10. If you got the digital asset, download it online, okay? Because there's 2 Ds that a lot of y'all don't have. And in this video, I'm going to put the link, not this video here, but the next video that I'm dropping, the full 1-hour video. It's going to have the link to the videos. There's 3 videos that you haven't seen that are not on YouTube. Okay? There are 3 important videos. One is dealing with the World Passport. One is dealing with the 1099A. And one is dealing with the assumed name. Okay? And the Duns and Bradstreet number. Okay? I keep giving y'all all these pointers and techniques and strategies and the way to actually do things. Okay, so this next video has those 3 links in it, and when you go to those 3 links, a couple of videos have free deeds for you. Each one is $2 million each, and also breaking down how you share it with your brother, your sister, your uncle, your nephew, and giving them $100,000. Maybe you want to give it half, give $1 million to them. This is your money. Okay? I don't care what everybody else tell you, but this is your money in the private. Okay? I ain't done this many times over and showed many people how to do it. People act like they're scared to go out there and get their debt settled. They whine and kick and scream. Child support, hem me up. The judge slapped me in jail. It's crazy. I got bills coming up. But I've been screaming this for years. And if you wait, it don't take one day to get this shit done. It don't. So you need to get on it now. In a month you ain't going to have your job. You need to be on it right now as we speak. Some of y'all being cheap don't want the tax class. Well, I'm sorry, it's $360 for that USB. And you will have to sign an NDA. If you have not signed that NDA, you will not get the flash drive. So I need that first. For those that ordered that tax class, the last tax class, make sure you send me an email at cityside2006@gmail.com requesting the confidentiality agreement /NDA. That's a non-disclosure agreement, which protects us, protects our content. This has nothing to do with you. It stops you from taking this stuff and going to sell it. And even if you are somebody out there trying to sell our process, and I find out about it through my police network, trust me, it'll be the last time you steal any damn thing. Because I won't let up off you. And trying to discharge ain't going to help you. So you can think that's going to get you away. It's not. Okay? See the look on my face right now? You see that? Okay, anyway, back to the videos. I'm giving away 2 Ds. A lot of the kings and queens already saw this and got these, so you don't have to worry about these. There are some videos you probably haven't went back to look at them again. So if you're a part of the university, might want to go back and look at these videos. There's 3 videos. Okay. So again, this is a PV for that video that's about to drop on YouTube, and in that description it will have those links to those videos where you can go get those 2 Ds. Please, 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 please share that on Facebook, TikTok, wherever you are. Share that video so that way even your best friends can go get these Ds, because I break it down in this video how to use them. Okay. Of course, it's going to lead you back to the 236 video and the silver video, how to use those. So that way you can't say you don't know. And in that video, I break everything down. See? And how to get in and get out, getting your debts settled. Okay? Because this is what y'all all about anyway, it seems like. Y'all don't care about your blood. A lot of y'all don't care about your bloodline. How is it that somebody that don't even know you care about your bloodline more than you? Ask yourself that in the mirror. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Okay? Hey, I want to give some shout outs to a lot of the members. If you have unsubscribed to the monthly $29.99, you will not get any help from me. You will not get any shareholder funds, and I will report that deed that you have, those 2 Ds that you have, to the Treasury and block you. Okay, just to let you know. All right, I'm looking for loyalty. All right, just like Queen Trevisia has said, loyalty. She's right. Okay, so this might not be the correct names for the individual, but you know who you are as a member subscriber. So we got the Indigenous Copper Goddess, much love to you. We got CMJRE2, much love to you. ESD Exclusives, much love to you. David Machado, much love to you. Open Your Eyes, much love to you. Mrs. Look like J. Ellis, much love to you. Then we got Damsel in Distress. that's a name. Much love to you. Levi Ross, I spoke with you recently. Much love to you, King. We got, what is this? Juxtaposer Art. Pozak Art, look like. Much love to you. Thank you all for subscribing. Latanya Kimbrough, much love to you. Thank you for subscribing. Abel Lozano, King Lenar, Michelle Vargas. You need to reach out to me as well. I don't know. I think you might have tendered to get in the Wanja Kings or Wanja Queens. If you did, you need to reach out to me by phone, 850-322-9657. We got Attila. Much love to her. More Sense Meditations. Much love to the more there. Anthony C. We got, what we got? Jermaine Parker. Shout out to Jermaine. I am Alora Arapel. Much love to you. We got a Michelle Freedom Forum. Much love to you. Notice to all. Much love to you. Fauci YouTube. Much love to you. King Tanek. Like Soldier. Much love to you. Crystal White. Much love to you, Queen. Thank you all for being a equity shareholder. Roz Blackwood. Much love to you. Zen Begin. Much love to you. Elton Grubbs. 2. Much love to you and the Grubbs family. We got Anta Sia. I hope I said that right. But much love to you. Jennifer Smith. I know who you are. Much love to you, Queen. Reach out to me. I did send you your barcode for your power of attorney. 33 Black Man. 33. Much love to you, King. King Poppy. Much love to you. DeVille Johnson, much love to you. Again, thank you all for being an equity subscriber, paying the $29.99 per month. It's y'all who keep this channel going. And in this video, I break down everything you're going to get back, how you're going to get it back in this new video that's about to come out. So be on the lookout for it. It's called How to Use Your Gold and Silver Deeds. Okay? Plus 3 videos. 3 new videos. Okay. Then we got this look like Son of Man. Son of Man. Son of Man. Okay, I get it. Son of Man. Change is coming. Queen Akram, much love to you and Son of Man for subscribing, being an equity member. John Doe, whoever you are, I do not know. I guess you're the John Doe that I was speaking in my new video. Could be. But we got Brigada Elite Ring Sports Fitness. Much love to you. I do have something from you that purchase a lot of things on YouTube. Reach out to me so we make sure we got everything ready to go out for you. Much love to all y'all for subscribing, being an equity partner. G-Boss, G-B-O-S, King Igor, much love. Thank you. We got Victor Wright. Much love to you. Duval. Got to give a shout out to Duval. I lived there before, so I got fam down there, tribe down there. So much love to you. Give me an update on your child support case, brother. Deanna Walton. We got, look like we got Khalif. Is this Khalif? Khalif L. Khalif L. Much love to you and y'all for subscribing, being a subscribing member, equity shareholder. The One Thomasina, much love to you. Walter Purdue, much love to you. You're a member of the university as well. H. Robbie 71. We got Melanie Johnson. Much love to the mother and all our mothers and all our elders out there. Y'all mothers are pretty much what makes this world go round. And we got to have respect for y'all. So much respect to all the mothers, not just the mother here, but all the mothers. All right? And thank y'all for being equity partners. Mark Des, Thomas Higgs, Wildfire Penny, that's Queen Refined. Much love to y'all 3 for just being a subscriber member and an equity partner. Todd Tilley, much love to you out in Cali, brother. Thank you for becoming a subscriber member. Barty, Bizzo, Eddie G, Sanjal ML. Look like, yeah, that's what it looks like. But much love to y'all for being a subscriber member. Much love to Jocelyn Griffin, Larry Longoria, y'all, and Nikki Seller. Y'all all, and Heru Myers, about to run on here. Bizarro, Mickey, y'all are all subscriber members on the channel, equity partners, university members as well. Much love to y'all, kings. I heard what y'all said the other night on the meeting about, you know, what I gave all y'all, you know, definitely heartfelt, man. And that was some tears shed, just to let y'all know. Thanks to King Lassard for doing that. It was much needed to pretty much see what y'all done got from me and how y'all done grew over this time. Okay, it seems like I'm doing a exiting out of here, out of the building, but I'm still here, still working hard, and still getting downloads from the Most High. Okay, the last person is Natasha Gordon. Much love to her. I think she was stepping back from the group for a minute because different reasons, whatever reasons it is. Like I told her before, we're here for you. And that is it. Much love to you. Thank you for becoming a subscriber member and an equity partner and a member of the University of the 100 Kings and 100 Queens. And all y'all on this list here for being part of 100 Kings and 100 Queens SBC Video Net Picks. Okay, and just to let y'all know again, it was course, me and the Most High that came up with this idea about the video net picks. That way I can keep these videos going and the content going to y'all and y'all bloodline to always be knowledgeable and get knowledge of this stuff. And my bloodline to be always updating this stuff as well as I train them. But thank y'all for being subscriber members and equity partners in this. All right. So I guess that's it. Be on the lookout for this new video. It will be released tomorrow afternoon. That's what time I'm going to set it up for. It will be for the public. Okay. So please mark your like button and, to let everybody know you're waiting on it to drop. Okay. Because it's a very important video for all y'all. All right. But share it. Share this video here and the next video with all your tribal members, your bloodline, and your friends. All right. And to all those who are on those other channels and playing my videos, I thank y'all for doing that. Anytime y'all need anything, y'all spreading the word, y'all getting it out to people. Just don't change anything about what I'm showing y'all. But reach out to me if you ever need help with anything. 850-322-9657. And I'm there for y'all. All right. I love you all. King Stevian. I'm out. Peace.